get noticed in this 2006 Honda Pilot. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.